Welcome to our comprehensive guide on building business credit. In this video, we'll explore essential steps and best practices to establish and grow your business credit profile, which is crucial for securing loans, favorable terms with suppliers, and business growth. Whether you're just starting your business or looking to improve your existing credit, this guide will provide you with actionable insights. Step 1. Register your business. You want to register your business and what that process entails. If you've already structured your business, meaning if you've filed your articles of incorporation and have been approved, you will need to register your business at the state level. Once you register your business as a legal entity, such as an LLC or a corporation, this separation ensures that your business is recognized as a separate entity, which is essential for building a business credit profile. Depending on your business structure and location, the registration process might vary. Make sure you follow the specific requirements of your state or country. Step 2, obtaining an employer identification number. You can apply for an EIN online, and it's a straightforward and free process. Having an EIN is critical for opening a business bank account and applying for your business credit. Step 3, applying for a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. To apply for a DUNS number, visit the Dun & Bradstreet website and follow their application process, which is free. Now listen, do not pay Dun & Bradstreet for a PAYDEX number, a Dun & Bradstreet number. They call it a DMB number. Do not pay them. It's free. Their reps may call you and say you can establish this quicker if you pay, but don't do it. You do not have to pay. It's free. Many lenders and businesses use this number to check your credit worthiness before doing business with you. Step 4, open a business bank account. Now, when you open a business bank account, you will go to the bank, show your EIN number, and your articles of incorporation. And you will not only show it when you apply for an EIN number, at the end of, once they provide you with that number, at the end of the application process, they will give you one chance to print your number. If you do not print your number at that time, you will not be able to go back to that department or to the government and get your EIN number. That's why it says you have one time to record this information. Make sure you save it, even if you have to save it as a PDF. When it says print, you print, and then you save it to PDF so that you will have it for future reference. If you do not, you will have to apply for an EIN number all over again for your business. And you don't want to do that. You don't want to repeat anything if you don't have to. Now, step 4, open a business bank account. Separate your business finances from personal finances by opening a dedicated business account for your business. This practice not only helps in maintaining clear financial records, but also strengthens your business financial credibility. Having a business bank account is also a requirement for many business credit applications, and is crucial for financial transparency. Step 5, applying for a business credit card. A business credit card is a significant tool for building business credit. When you use it responsibly, it can help you establish a credit history and improve your credit score. Look for a business credit card that reports to major business credit bureaus and offers rewards and benefits tailored to your business expenditures. I have listed 5 new business, actually it's 6 or maybe 7 new business credit accounts that you can apply for to establish business credit. Stay tuned for the bonus information at the end of this video. Now, when they say a business credit card that reports to major business credit bureaus, they mean Dun & Bradstreet, which is your paydex score. You'll hear other people say a paydex score, and that's what they mean, your Dun and Bradstreet number. Okay. And then they have Equifax, which is a major credit bureau for business. And then they have Experian, which is another major business credit bureau. So those are the three business credit bureaus that will hold your business credit information. Step 6, setting up trade lines. Trade lines are credit lines that your business can establish with suppliers and vendors. These lines of credit allow you to buy now and pay later, typically within 30 to 60 days. Most of them are just 30 days. And these are called 30-day open billing accounts. And what you'll usually do is go to their website, find something that you need or want for your business, purchase it, and within that whole process you'll be applying, because at that time they'll be asking you for your EIN and for your Dun and Bradstreet number. Number 7, pay bills on time. Your payment history is one of the most critical factors in building business credit. Making payments on time or even early can significantly boost your credit score. Consistent, on-time payments demonstrate financial discipline and reliability. Step 8, monitor your business credit. Regularly monitor your business credit score with all three main business credit bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Check for any errors or inaccuracies and report them immediately to ensure your credit profile is accurate and up to date. Keeping your information current helps maintain a healthy credit score. Recap. To wrap up, building business credit is a step-by-step process. It's not an overnight thing. I know that that's what YouTube would have you believe, but it's not an overnight process. You have to be patient and just know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? Again, building business credit is a step-by-step process that requires diligence and consistency. Register your business, obtain an EIN and a DUNS number, open a business bank account, use a business credit card, establish trade lines, pay your bills on time, and regularly monitor your credit. Now, here are the 6 new business trade lines to establish business credit, your bonus information. Number 1, Uline. You must have a DUNS number and an EIN number to apply with Uline. Actually, you go to their website, uline.com, and it's uline.com, and order. You order something and you make sure you pay it off within 2 to 3 weeks. I always order like a case of paper towels or a case of tissue. Well, that's what I did initially, but once your business starts growing, you can go on their website and you'll see that there's a lot of stuff on their website that you'll need. Now, they usually deliver the next day, and their shipping is very expensive. But it's worth it. Just get something for like $50. Shipping might be like $30 or $40. It's worth it. And again, Uline, like they only report to Dun and Bradstreet. They don't report to Equifax or Experian. It's Dun and Bradstreet. Then we have Chevron Gas Card. They only use your EIN number. There's no personal guarantee. You don't have to give your social security number or anything. And they usually appoint a representative to you once you apply for the gas card. They may deny you, but a representative will contact you and they will assist you with opening that account. They'll just ask you for all the information to be sent to them or their email directly. I know this because I did this when I first established credit, business credit. nav.com. N as in Nancy, AV as in Victor.com. They have an account that you can pay for $49 a month. Go to their website, nav.com. They also are an abundance of, they have an abundance of resources there. Whenever I need to check to see how my business is doing and I don't want to pay Equifax or Experian for the credit report, now they will tell you how your credit is doing, if it's taken a hit, if something has happened, if your credit score has gone up or gone down. You can get that off of nav.com, and usually it's pretty accurate. They'll also provide information on your paydex score, your Dun & Bradstreet score. So you want to check them out even if you decide not to obtain their credit for the $49 a month. You want to sign up with them just so you could keep up with your credit. They also keep up with your personal score as well. Then we have Quill, QUILL.com, and they sell office supplies. And again, with them, you purchase something and you pay it off before the 30 days, and that's how you establish credit. But my experience with them is I had to stay on them for them to report it to Paydex, to Dun & Bradstreet. You have to stay on them now. A lot of these companies are quick to report you if you do not pay, but if you're paying and you're ordering from them, and Quill is notorious for that. You have to call them, talk to their accounts receivable department or accounts payable. I believe it's account receivables, and make sure that they are reporting your payments on time to Dun & Bradstreet, because they won't do it. You have to stay on top of them. Then there's Crown Supplies. They specialize in office supplies and requires an annual membership of $99 to qualify for a net 30 term, along with some basic credit requirements. However, I have never used them. This is one that I just pulled up. I have never used them. I would never pay a membership fee of $99 to obtain business credit. There are other companies that you can apply for business credit or purchase something and pay it off in 30 days. I wouldn't recommend paying $99. I don't even know why I put it on there. I don't think I noticed that it was a membership fee of $99. So, I mean, that's one option, but I would never do it. Thank you for watching 2 Open Biz channel, the business info channel. Implement these strategies and you will be well on your way to building a strong business credit profile. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable business tips. If you have any questions, please list them down below in the comment section. I will answer your questions. Or if you wanted to reach out to me directly, go to 2OpenBiz, and that's 2OpenBiz.com, and I can walk you through the process.